Let us find out how the Mahindra tractors are made. The Mahindra tractor manufacturing plant is located in 𝐻𝐻𝐸𝐴d, India, which has a 100,000 tractor storage capacity. Mahindra is the largest manufacturer of tractors in terms of volume and exports, selling them to more than 39 countries. In the beginning, transmission and engine parts are assembled. Then the engine is attached to the transmission. The chassis is now moved to the paint shop through an automatic guided vehicle. The chassis is painted by a robot to avoid wasting paint and to reduce power consumption. Now the seats and other parts of tractors are fixed into place. The tractor undergoes a dynamometer test, on-road test, etc. Finally, the Mahindra tractor is ready to complete farming tasks.